Hello everyone, welcome back to Commerce Point. In the last video, we discussed various e-commerce models like merchant model, community model, subscription model, advertising model, and brokerage model. Now in this video, I will continue with further different types of model. Next model we have, that is manufacturer model. So it is very simple. Manufacturer means a person who produce something from the raw material. So under this model, there will be some companies who are having their own websites, and through that websites they are selling their products. Like often you will see some bakery shops, they are taking orders through online. So what you have to do, on Zomato also, Swiggy also, we have a number of companies who are listed in who are having a link, or they are enlisted with the Zomato, and through that app what they are doing, they are selling their product. Here I am not giving the example of Zomato under the manufacturer model, because Zomato is just a platform through which the company is selling. If you consider the example of Zomato, then Zomato will act as a middleman. He is a linker. This company is a linker between the two parties, right? But if you cover the manufacturer model, it allow manufacturer or the producer of various product or the goods to sell their products directly to the customer. So there will be no middleman. As a result, company can save the brokerage cost. As a result, customer can get the goods at a very reasonable price. It will enable them to stay away from the middleman, like the distributor, like the dealer. It provides efficiency, improved customer satisfaction, and a better understanding of customer preference to the business organization. So ultimately, when you are directly dealing with the customer, it is going to improve the satisfaction level among the customer, because you will also give priority to customer, because you need not to think about the middleman. You are directly selling, so you can easily understand the need and requirement of the customer. If we take any example under the manufacturer model, then you can consider like Amway. They are selling their product directly to the customer through the help of their online platforms. You can take example of Sugar is a cosmetic brand who are selling their product directly to their customer through the help of their well designed website, right? They are having their products available on Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart as well, but they are having their own website. Mac is also having, Lakme is also having. So these are under the category of manufacturer model. Next one we have, that is utility model. Based on subscribers meter usage of the service provided by the e-commerce organization, utility model is little bit different from the another models, as in case of companies who fall under the category of utility model, they take they give one option to their customer, that is pay as you go. Pay as you go means, suppose you want to download any PPT from Google, so you can, if suppose this option is given to you, that you can download PPT only when you will pay $2 for this particular PPT. Sometimes we are in need to download particular research article. So research articles are not available free of cost, then we pay a particular amount for that. So this is under which model? This is under the utility model. You can take the services, but in order to take the services you will pay particular amount. But this amount is not like under the subscription model. As under subscription model, once only you will make the payment, then for the whole month or for the whole year you are going to utilize the services. But in case of utility model, it is pay as you go approach. So if you want to download one content, you want to check only 2 pages, then you will pay $2. If you want to check the whole document, the whole article, then you will pay $10. So like that, you will pay a particular amount in order to avail the services. Next we have, in this case we can take the example of Facebook also. If you want to give any ad on the Facebook, then you will pay particular amount. If you want to show any ad on the Instagram, then also you will pay a particular amount. So you are using the services on the basis of usage. Next model we have, that is affiliate model. Affiliate model provide the purchase chance as and when people are surfing on the internet. It offers financial incentives and commission based on percentage of revenue to be given to affiliated business partner. Let me give you a very simple example to understand this model. I hope you people checked that Flipkart affiliated scheme. Flipkart is a company which provide affiliation scheme. What you have to do, you have to go to affiliation model affiliation website of Flipkart. There they will provide you option. You can join your hands with the Flipkart, and after that you will advertise certain products for Flipkart. In If you are able to sell that product, then Flipkart is going to give you some commission. Now this service or this model will fall under the category of affiliate model. Let me explain it again. Under the affiliation model, you can enter into a partnership like contract with the another company, where you will promise company to advertise product on their behalf, and if you are able to sell out certain products, then you will get commission on those sold items. So see what they are saying. Look at the second point. It offer financial incentives. You will get some money, you will get commission based on percentage of revenue. On the basis of goods sold, you will get certain commission or revenue. To affiliated business partner. Affiliated business partner means, if I enter into the contract with the Flipkart, okay, I will sold out product, I will advertise the product, so I will be the partner, I will get commission or revenue from the company. The affiliate thus provide an opportunity. This is very important line. Affiliate provide opportunity to e-business organization to add purchase point click. What is purchase point click? Suppose if I have one blog, then on my blog, if I add few of ads for the product which are available on the Flipkart, then there will be one link, there will be one link, there will be one point where customer can click and he will directly jump to official website of Flipkart. When he will check the products over there, he if he is interested, he will make the purchases, and on the basis of number of goods sold, Flipkart is going to give me some return, some revenue. So that is covered under the affiliate model, where you get affiliation from the another company. Next model we have, that is infomediary model. Info means information. As you people know that in the present time, when we have so much competition, no business can survive without information. And we have certain companies who provide online information to other business houses, and the companies who are providing information, they fall under the category of infomediary model. Like we have company that is McKinsey and Company. It is really a big company who provide information to customers as well as to the various companies. Let's check some important points under the infomediary model. Infomediary organizations collect information about customers and their consumption habits. It analyzes information carefully, categorize the information, and in a logical manner they supply the information to the companies, to the producer company, and on the basis of that relevant and reliable information, the producer company take decision whether they need to bring some changes in the product or not, whether there is a change in the customer preference. If yes, then what they can do further to make their customer satisfied. They also assist customer by collecting information about product and their producer. So under the infomediary model, we have companies who help not only to the companies as well as to the customer in order to provide the services. Infomediary model can further have, it can be of further different types, like advertising network, audience measurement, service model, incentive marketing model, aggregator business model. So it depends upon type of the services provided by the company. Accordingly, we will decide one category of infomediary model. So this was all about different e-business model on the basis of function. I will add link of the first part in the description box. Do check that link, that will help you to cover the topics like merchant model, community model, subscription model, advertising and brokerage model. I hope you will like this video. If you like, then please subscribe channel and like the video.